Hi, I'm Congressman Adam Kinzinger. This week is National Small Business Week, and I want to personally extend my gratitude to the small business leaders in Illinois' 16th Congressional District. Without those of you willing to get up early and work late, our country would not be what it is today. In fact, small businesses create 7 out of every 10 new jobs and employ over half of the American private sector workforce. Simply put, you are the backbone of our economy. Unfortunately, instead of championing small businesses, Washington produces page after page of regulations that are holding you back. Regulations that are keeping you from growing and creating badly needed jobs in your communities. Additionally, the burdens of Obamacare hit you hardest and punish your success. This is wrong and exactly why I continue to fight for a simpler and fairer tax code, reducing red tape and getting government off of the backs of job creators like you. Because without you, our children would never know what a healthy economy looks like. Thank you for all your hard work.